How to create Imo account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to install Imo app on your device. For that, you need to go to your Google Play Store and you have to search for Imo and install it on your device. After installing, you have to open the app. Since Imo is for making phone calls, you have to allow access to phone calls, so you have to tap on allow. After allowing, you'll be able to see the text box where you have to enter your phone number. After entering, you have to tap on blue tick. After that, you have to allow access and your profile will be created. You can also edit your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the left upper corner, and you can edit your name or you can change your Gmail ID and anything. You can change your phone number and anything. By following this simple step, you can create an Imo account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.